Hi friends, Namaste. This is Srinivas Sharma. Most welcome to our YouTube channel Gadget Consultant English version. Friends, we have two more YouTube channels and we upload same contents videos in Hindi and Telugu language. If you are interested to watch in those languages, link is given in the description of the respective YouTube channels and you can watch the same video in Hindi as well as Telugu language. As you have seen the thumbnail of this video, the topic in this video is how to change name in PAN card or how to make a correction also, because the process is same. Suppose you have a PAN card, you want to change your name in the PAN card or you want to correct your name in the PAN card. Then what is the process? In this video, I'm going to give you a detailed explanation step by step so that you can understand the whole process and maybe you can do yourself also. Before I delve into this, I will tell you the solution is publishing name change or name correction in Government of India Gazette. That is the only solution. So in this video, I will tell you how to publish a Gazette for your name change or name correction in PAN card. Before I give you a complete detailed information about Gazette, I would like to tell you that all the websites about which I will be discussing in this video, the links are provided in the description below. Similarly, the formats I'm going to discuss about, you will get the formats links in the description and you can download those formats. Also, I would like to request you to watch this video till the end so that you don't lose any information. And I would request you to follow me on my Facebook page and my professional LinkedIn page also, so that you get updated about various information related to different type of documentations which is required for your day-to-day life. So now I am going to talk about the Gazette. The process I am going to explain you in this video is about the central government Gazette. The format, the process is comparatively very easy compared to the state Gazette, and acceptability is more wider than the state Gazette. So Government of India, under which comes Department of Publication, and it is headed by Controller of Publication. He is the authority who publishes weekly Gazette on every Saturday. So individuals like you, me, and private institutions, we all are treated as individuals, and for any kind of name change, name corrections, religion change, adoption, gender changes, all this type of information or advertisements may be published in the part 4 of the Gazette. So if you want to change or correct your name in PAN card, you have to first publish such change advertisement in Government of India Gazette. There are various steps involved in this process. The first step is making an affidavit. You have to make an affidavit on a non-judicial stamp paper of value ₹100 and get it notarized. That is the first step. Second step is visit Department of Publication website. They have forms. Download the respective form and fill it. Third step is you have to submit a CD also to the department along with all the documents, and that CD must contain the advertisement text in the CD. So you have to prepare a CD also. Then comes newspaper advertisement publication. Before we give an advertisement in Gazette, the department asks us to publish the same advertisement in a national newspaper. National newspaper means any newspaper which is printed in English or Hindi language and is published from more than one place. That is a nationalized newspaper. So you have to give an advertisement in a national newspaper also. After that, Government of India charges certain amount to publish such advertisements in Gazette. You have to pay that fees through Bharat Kosh, Government of India's payment portal. All links are given in the description, don't worry for that. So now you have all your documents ready. Affidavit, application, CD, newspaper advertisement, and gadget fees. All this, everything is ready now. What you have to do is, along with all these documents, take your Aadhaar card Xerox and PAN card Xerox, self-attested, all these documents put into an envelope and submit it to the Department of Publication. There are two ways to submit it. Either you go personally and submit there, because on your behalf, if anybody else goes, they will not accept the application. No advocates, no touts, no relatives, no brother, sister, no colleagues, nothing. You have to go personally. If you're not able to go, don't worry, because it is not that everybody is going there to submit their application. You have an option to send it by post or by courier. So better sitting at home, complete your application with our assistance, with our guidance, and send the complete set of application to the department by speed post. Once your application reaches, department takes 4 to 6 weeks to process, and they publish the gazette. Gazette is published every Saturday morning around 10:30 to 11. So log into their website. E-Gazette is the website name. Log into that. Download your gazette. Print 3 pages. First page, last page, and the page where your advertisement appears. These 3 pages are collectively called the name change certificate or name correction certificate. Once this is done, then you have to approach the PAN card center. What you have to do? Take 49A form number for PAN correction form, then Gazette 3 pages, which I told you, explained you right now, and then your existing Aadhaar card copy and PAN card copy. Apply for the changes in your PAN card. There will be some fees. Pay that fees, and within 10 to 15 days, you will get your new PAN card with a new name or corrected name. This is the whole process. Thank you very much for watching this video till end. Once again, I would like to remind you, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Press bell icon also so that you get notifications. Follow me on my Facebook page as well as LinkedIn. If you would like to take our services, because we have 16 years of experience, we have served more than 11,000 clients all over India. If you want to take our services, please send us a WhatsApp text message. My WhatsApp number is given in the description below as well as on the thumbnail. Or otherwise, you can send me email also. My email address is also given in the description. Thank you very much for watching the video. We'll see you again with a new topic in my next video. Take care. Namaste and bye-bye.